Built in 1954 on two adjoining dairy farms, the Dandenong site began with a small, tight-knit team who laid the foundation for a lasting legacy. The establishment of the Dandenong site provided a place of opportunity where people could build careers, learn skills, and contribute to a growing industry. Dandenong continues to be a vital part of Victoria's industry, building not just trains and trams, but also a future that benefits us all. Manufacturing at Dandenong has created a legacy of quality and innovation to shape manufacturing and rail transport across generations. Looking to the future, the next generation G-Class trams are currently being built here at Dandenong, based on the extensive history and experience of tram construction at the site. And we're fabricating the Extrapolis 2.0 trains, which will bring the next level of comfort, safety, and accessibility to the commuters in Melbourne. We are so proud to celebrate the 70-year history of Alstom Dandenong as we continue to deliver innovative rail solutions to our local communities.